what's up, it's Disha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to test out some really cool fashion hacks which I've seen in 5 Minute Crafts video, and it's really trending, so I thought of doing one myself. And yeah, that's about it for the intro. Let's get into the video. Going on to the first hack. We need this shirt or top, whatever you can see in the video. So this hack definitely worked, but will I wear it outside? I don't think so, क्योंकि पहली बात तो ये already मुझे बहुत ढीला है. But I don't think I'll wear it outside. बहुत ही ज़्यादा awkward, weird situation हो जाएगा. But yeah, hack ज़रूर work किया है. Next hack is very simple. This is a scarf. I have a rubber band and a black t-shirt, as you can see in the video. So this is how the hack looks like. I mean, this is how I have done seeing the hack. But hey guys, so this is how it looks like. ये मैंने खुद कर लिया है. मतलब मैंने नहीं किया, actually this is my roommate's idea. तो उसने ये कर दिया मेरे को. And also, जैसा मैं बोल रही थी यहाँ पे, लेकिन वो एक गोला सा बन गया है. So I don't think you can wear this. But अगर आपके पास छोटा स्कार्फ है तो मेरे को लगता है बन जाएगा. So yeah, this looks pretty fine to me. And you can definitely wear this outside. Yeah. So for the next step we need a t-shirt. So I'm wearing this plain black t-shirt और उसको हमें पीछे से बांधना है. और ये सामने से भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एंड पीछे से भी. This hack is, I think, my favorite hack क्योंकि ये actually you can wear outside and this worked. So yeah, I love this. What do you guys think? Please comment down below. ये थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है, but anyways, our main motive was to see if this hack works or not, and yes, it definitely works क्योंकि इतना बुरा भी नहीं लग रहा है. एंड अगर शायद ये छोटा होता तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and you can definitely wear it outside. So yeah, I know I look like a mess, but thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, then please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And please hit the bell button so that you can get notification whenever I post a new video. And I shall see you next time. Bye bye.